All right, let's take 10 minutes of low impact movement to build some amazing core stability. We're going to use some of the exercises that we generally do just to appreciate and understand that with a simple standing march like this, we can be building core strength and stability. Real gentle movements to start. Engage your core in every exercise we do. We're going to move quickly, effectively, so we can reduce our pain, increase our balance. It's about injury prevention, not about six-pack abs. Just nice and easy to start. We march. Good posture, head up high, shoulders back. Got to engage the core. It's about having good posture, having that good core stability. Everything comes from our center. It's really about how the midsection supports all of our movements. I know, Instagram, all these things, that's all about six-pack abs looking ripped. You can have six-pack abs and not have core stability. Okay, shake it out. Let's work on the obliques, the side here. So just knee to elbow. Just bring it up as much as you can. And this can look like this. Any movement is good. Connect to your breath. Gratitude for the ability to move. Nice and easy. Sometimes it's good to take a moment to practice certain exercises, certain body parts. We strengthen them. We've been working on some mobility. We're getting mobility in the hips here as well. So this is a brilliant move. Great for the obliques and getting that leg up. Mobility in our hips. Shake that out. All right. We're going to come in now. So the knee's coming up. We're going to twist. So we're getting more into our abdominals in the front. Can come down a little bit. So it's kind of crunching in. You feel it a little bit in the lower back. Building strength there. That's what this is all about. So you can bend over and tie your shoes without any pain. That to me is good core stability. Long, happy life. Nice flow, real mindful movements. Ooh, yeah. Couple more. Brilliant. Bit of a wider stance. And let's just go to the side. Just reach down. Other side. Just get as low as you can. We're going to move quickly too so that we can build up some heat. Always want a little cardio work. Down, other side. Maybe we can reach just a bit lower with each one, even a millimeter. There we go. Working the side. Opening up the muscles around the rib cage. A few more on the other side. Last one. Yes. Come right into a twist. This twist is a great way to start the day. Any point in the day to get some extra movement in. But if you really flex the abdominals, engage that core, Slowly but surely twist a little bit deeper, a little further back. Okay, bring all your attention into this moment. It doesn't take Herculean effort to build good core stability. So that when you're going up the stairs, engage the core, just notice, like, oh yeah, this is working. We bring our attention to it. We give it that extra support. And yes. Very simple. We're just going to go leg raises. Get that leg up as high as you can. We'll just start with one leg at a time. And really, how many times can I say engage your core today? So we're building balance. That's what it's about. We don't want to slip and fall. We want to have great balance throughout our life. Let's go other leg. Maybe get a little bit further. Great for our flexibility in the hamstring as well. Other side. Just a few here and a few on. Oh yeah. Oh, let's just bounce for a second. Oh, taking everything we've done. Brilliant. Crossbody. Let's really heat the body up. Give a punch or reach. You decide. Just notice what's happening in the core. You can feel it. Yeah. Stick with me. Maybe we go a little bit faster. Oh, yeah. You got this. There we go. Boost the mood. Elevate the energy and great core stability. Hallelujah. And nice, nice, nice. Okay, build balance again. Feet together. Bring all your presence right here, right now. We got this. Leg to the side. And maybe it's just a little tap out for you. That's fine. Wherever you're at, that's perfect. As is your desire to improve. Other side. Really engage the core. Oh, yes. Ooh, there you go. Little slip, stumble, no worries. Other side. Ooh. And last few. Ooh, just collect yourself right there. You lose a little balance. It's all right. Come back to it. It's not about perfection. One more. Maybe we hold there for a second. Hold it, hold it. Oh, do you feel that in the hips? Because I sure do. Nice. Okay. This will be very simple, but effective. Shoulder width apart, stance. Reach. Opposite hands, and then both together. Reach out. Reach. Look forward. Straight line with your eyes. Head up high. One arm, opposite arm, both arms, and reach out. Hinge at the hips a bit. Engage that core. Reaching out. Reach. When you're reaching for things today, going about your daily routines, engage your core. Be really mindful when you take each movement so that you don't hurt your back. You got the strength. This is just a reminder. A couple more. There we go. Be so present with your movements. Oh, I gotta engage the core. Grab them for a cup. Grab it. Really mindfully. Bending down. Engage my core mindfully. I'm using here instead of hurting the back. When we bring presence into everything we do everything exceptionally better. We find this awe in the things that seem so mundane and simple. Let's just take it all in for a few moments here. So it's like you do. Engage your core. A little mindful movement just to finish off. Just sweep the arms up and down. Arms up, bring them down, engage your core. Now that feels good. Movement is magic. Thank you for showing up. Comment, job done. Share your progress. It fires me up. I'll see you tomorrow. Well done.